My name is Vedansh. I am standing with 4 to 6 batch. They are going to tell group discussion around city life or village life. You can see this video and improve your English. Let's start.
Hello everyone, my name is Abhinav Sharma and I am supporting to Village Life.
Hello guys, I'm Anurag and I'm supporting Village Life.
Hello guys, my name is Ayush and I am supporting Village Life, and now your turn.
Hello guys, my name is Siddhant Sharma. I am supporting City Life.
Hello guys, my name is Vedansh Mishra. I am supporting city life.
Hello guys, my name is Akansha Singh. I am supporting City Life.
Hello guys, my name is Anugya. I am supporting City Life.
Hello everyone, according to me, why is the village life is best according to me. First of all of the person belongs to village, and after gaining your education, every person go to village, go to city. In village you get the fresh environment and cooperative person, and everything is getting in fresh mode. So according to me, village life is the best.
According to me, actually, city life is better than village life, because city life is a more comfortable life. I think good medical facility and good vehicle facilities like auto, bus, train, flyover and उसको क्या बोलते हैं, एरोप्लेन. Thank you.
I agree with your point, but in my view, village life is great, because in village we can get a peaceful place in village, and we are all also belongs from village, and after getting some knowledge we are developed, and when our mind developed, then we think about go to city. So in my view, every person belong from village.
Support city life. Actually, the city life is more comfortable, as well as there are more opportunities for the people, like education, jobs, and everything. It's city life is better than village life.
Yeah, I partially agree with you, but in village you get quite a few things that you can't get in city, like good atmosphere and good air quality, and there is no use of bikes, buses or any type of vehicles, and because of that vehicles it causes some atmosphere to get polluted, and because of that we can't breathe pure air, and that a causes of health, and hence village is more good than city.
Because you can get in city good vehicle facilities, you can get education system better than village, because in village any patient got sick, you should take them to city by vehicle system. There in village there is not a good facilities of vehicle system. So from coming to village to city, so many person got dead. So city life is better than village life.
Agree with your point, but you say the medical facilities are, but we are living in 21st century, and in this century there are many types of medical facilities are provided in village, and the dead rate is defined by the Vedanta. So dead rate is increasing city, because the atmosphere of city is very polluted, and there are many types of disease are comes from city, not village.
But in city life is comfortable a lot, because there is more education. There is more education environment, like number of college and number of coachings, libraries are good, books available in libraries stores. That's why, according to me, for education purpose, city life is better than village life. Thank you.
I am partially agree with you. You told that city is best in the form of the education, because in city there are running on many types of library, school and college. But the government has started plans in every village, hospital and library and many things which is important for human beings. So in city, education and education gaining system is good, because there are library. But in city you are like we are sitting in the city, but we are facing the noise of the vehicle, because the road is the side of our coaching. But in the village you get a peaceful atmosphere to reading, to doing anything. So the village is best for me.
So I don't totally agree with you, because you said that the village life is the best, because there is a very peaceful atmosphere and lot of things that you have said that. But I'm not agree with you, because if I don't learn from the teachers and I can't educate myself in the village, so what will I do of the atmosphere? What will I get from the peace? You said that the government has started the plans for the village students and hospitals and many things that government started in the villages. But I think there is there is not good facilities in the villages, because the doctors is not treated patient well, and the teachers in the schools are not teaching students. They are only sitting and getting their salary on the time, and they are enjoying their life and not educating their children and the students that are coming on the school. So that's my point.
Yes, sir. So I am partially agree with your point, but you told the point of education is good in city, but it's not important. It's not important what is education. But if you think a point like if you think about farmers, so if farmers are not doing farming in village, so what you eat and what you take?
I agree with you that if the farmers not doing the farming, and how can we eat? But the things are the farmers are doing suicide in the villages regularly, and the suicide rate are so much high in the villages, because the farmers are doing farming, and they don't get the money, and they don't get their hard working what will I tell, like they are not working money, like if they are not getting their they are not getting their right, like and there is a lot of things that cities are the best from the villages, like there are so many hospitals that gives facilities so good, and private schools and the government school. In the villages, government school are not good, and there is not private schools in the villages.
Yeah, I partially agree with you, but you don't cover a point, that is the village atmosphere and the city's atmosphere. In cities, there is cars that are polluting the atmosphere, and because of that, it is causing many health problems, which lead to go to hospital. But in village, there is no pollution, so you are not gonna get health problems, so you are not gonna get in the hospital. And second of all, about the education system, the government, some of the schools of the village are nowadays more advanced than in the city. I'm not talking about the every school, but some of the schools. And I confirm that it is not good as city, but it can still give you a normal education qualities.
So I'm not agree with you because in I partially agree with you, but according to me, in city there is many facilities of hospital and better opportunities in better facilities in hospital. I agree. There is in city there is polluted area, but there is also better facility in hospital. And you said that in education system there is number of colleges and schools, private and as well as government school, and there is good involvement of education, and there is much and many coaching center for competitive exam levels like UPSC and NEET, IIT. That's all my point.
I partially agree with you. But I appreciate to live in a village because the agriculture is doing in a village in more number of times. In the city, the agriculture is scattered on the your house. In agriculture is scattered in the city is in the bucket only, but in village you can farm the more of the crops.
I partially agree with you, but in city, the electricity is always coming, and now you can see the some students who are making doing for SSC and GD, so they can only study in city, because in city there are good education system, and they can go to coachings and library. They can there sit freely and they can study. So that's my point.
I agree with your point, but the education system is good in city and library is also provided. But in library, the many ACs and many other things making CFC gas, and it is very harmful for our ozone layer. So what do you think about this?
To me, I think there are lots of facility of for the people in the city, and city give us opportunities, earn money, give us like a
I can go without money. Can you go without money? I think go.
Appreciate you. You said that in libraries there is AC. AC's air is very harmful for us, but according to science, it is slowly effect for us. But in some libraries, there is a walls cooler. They work in rooms, hot air throughout inside the libraries, and that's all.
I agree with you, but in city there is like more expensive. City is more expensive in comparison to village, and there is more expenses in city than village. You can go without money. Like In city there is bunch of fast food, and in village it is quite less, and the quality of food is increased in village of fast food, and it is decreased in city of what of fast food, and that's why I think that village life is better than city life.
Good evening, viewers.